Nandito na pala kami sa bahay. Mag-ano kami nito? Giturn on namin ang aming fireplace. Magpainit kami. Hey, my love! Careful! Is that gas? Propane? Yan, nag-fire kami sa loob kasi ang lamig. Nagpa-apoy-apoy kami dito sa loob kasi ang lamig. You don't want to watch your football? Your stuff, your TV? Mag-edit muna ako dito. Ayan ang aking charger. Dito tayo mag-edit kasi merong saksakanan sa aking charger. Tapos, i-charge ko siya while mag-i-edit. Nag-i-edit pa ako dito. Hindi pa ako tapos. Tingnan nyo si Tom. Nagkain-kain lang dyan. What are you eating?
Is it called French apple?
Ranch apple. Nanood-nood siya ng TV and nagpa-fireplace siya. Giturn on niya ang
It
fireplace.
has a lot of like brown sugar crumbles.
Yeah, that's so tasty eh. I'll just continue editing my vlog. Woo! 9, 8, 7, 6. Naghihintay kami sa ball nga babagsak sa Times Square ba, sa New York. Happy New Year!
That's New York. It's already New Year.
Where's the ball? It doesn't fall.
No, it just goes down to that certain level.
Where?
It's up there. I don't know.
Sabi ni Tom kapag every New Year daw
It just goes
meron
down
silang ibabagsak na ball.
to a certain platform. It drops. So when it stops, that's it. That's the New Year.
Happy New Year!
Yes.
Kiss! Happy New Year, everybody! Hello! Good morning, Philippines! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. For today's vlog ay dito kami nag-celebrate ng aming New Year sa Big Bear Lake and second day na namin ngayon. Kakatapos ko lang mag-skincare. Si Tom ay bumaba lang kadiyot doon sa lobby kasi nagkuha ng... Ay, ito na, nandito na. Nagkuha lang siya ng parking pass kasi kailangan kasi yun everyday na magkuha ng parking pass. Meron na kaming parking pass kahapon pero kailangan pa rin ngayon magkuha ng bago. Ayan, kakatapos ko lang mag-skincare dito and hindi na ako hinintay ni Tom dito kasi ang tagal kong natapos sa aking pagmumukha, sa aking pag-skincare. And ngayon ay kakain na kami. Pupunta kami sa restaurant para kakain ng aming breakfast. What, my love?
I have to go down and return the towels.
Okay, I'll just wait here.
Wait here.
Okay. How long?
5 minutes.
Okay. Mag-return lang daw muna si Tom ng towels kadali. And ipakita ko sa inyo ang view namin dito ha kapag morning. Good morning everybody! Ang ganda ng view namin oh. Ang aming lake view. Lake view. Wow! Ang ganda! Nakaka-relax sa utak. Merong mga duckling mga itik. Isara natin to be kasi ano ba? Nag-turn on ba kami ng heater? Okay, tabang. Ang view namin. Good morning everybody. Hello 2025. Merong nagfi-fishing oh sa Atbang. Mamaya maglakad-lakad kami ni Tom dyan kasi public area kasi itong lake na to. Pwedeng-pwede kayong maglakad-lakad. Mamaya na kami maglakad-lakad dito after namin kumain and siguro after namin mag-jacuzzi or hot tub. So fresh ang hangin. Nakaka-relax. Ayan, nag-fishing sila. Madami ba yung mga isda dito? Mga isda nga nabubuhay sa fresh water ba? Uupo tayo dito, Well, naghintay ni Tom na nakuha siya ng new towels ba? And binalik niya ang mga laundry towel doon sa lobby. Super nagustuhan ko talaga ang aming room ay super beautiful ng aming view. Mag-coffee di ay tayo. Uy, nakalimutan ko. Magkuha tayo ng coffee. Kasi para hindi loading ang ating utak ba. Ngayon ay pupunta kami sa bikini store kasi bibili kami ng swimwear ni Tom. For today ay pupunta kami sa bikini store after namin kumain sa restaurant para sa aming breakfast. Bibili kami ng aming swimwear. Hindi kasi kami nagdala-dala ng swimwear kasi feeling namin ba hindi kami maliligo sa hot tub. Imbis wala kaming plano na maligo.
Are you gonna charge this?
Okay. Thank you, my love. Naisipan namin na maliligo na lang kami kasi wala naman kaming ibang pupuntahan and wala namang ibang tourist spot dito. Ang meron lang dito is mga activities and hindi naman namin gusto pareho ang mga activities dito like yung skiing. Super dangerous yung skiing na yan kaya hindi kami mag-try ng mga activities dito. Si Tom, naka-try na yan ng activities but never ako mag-try ng mga ganyan kasi mas mabuti nang mag-prevent na lang ta sa mga disgrasya kaysa mag-try tayo ng mga ganyan. Hindi natin alam ang disgrasya baya Hello, nandito na si Tom. Tinatawagan lang niya ang kanyang anak. Nag-greet siya ng Happy New Year. And ako ay kakain ako ng egg dito, oh. Dinala ko ito, kahapon pa ito. Nagbaon ako ba? Alam niyo ba, ang dami kong baon, ayan. Mga sima-sima nga pagkain, chicharon, and nagdala din ako ng orange. Kahit saan talaga, magbaon-baon talaga ako para hindi
What are you
magutom.
doing, madam?
I'm eating egg.
We're
You
not
want?
gonna eat out then?
Yeah, we will do.
Or for lunch?
We will eat.
Just lunch, you mean?
Yeah, that's already lunch and breakfast because it's already 11. 11 a.m. na pala dito. Ang tagal namin gumising, mga
You
day.
tell me where we're
Late
gonna
na
eat.
kaming gumising. Yeah,
You have
and
to look it up.
I already look. Kain tayo ng itlog. Boiled egg. You want, my love?
No.
Tom, kakatapos lang magtawag sa kanyang
Fudge.
son. Meron silang asin dito, oh. And black pepper. Kain tayo.
If you want Mexican, they have Azteca.
Okay.
It's a grilled Mexican restaurant. It's close. It's not crowded.
It's up to you. Anywhere. Anywhere, my love.
Because probably this would be good if you want Mexican, if you want Spanish
Yummy.
rice.
Yeah,
They're open
rice.
now.
We can go there.
Okay,
I need rice.
okay. But there'll be Mexican rice.
Okay.
I'm waiting for them to deliver the towels. I already requested it. They already delivered it. Check it. There's the towels.
Done. Tapos na akong kumain ng itlog. Babalik na natin to dito. We are now going to eat our breakfast. Punta na kami sa pagkainan namin ng aming breakfast. Where are we gonna eat, my love?
Azteca, Mexican.
Because I want rice. Punta kami sa Azteca restaurant. Mexican restaurant. Nandito na kami sa Azteca Grill and Restaurant. Mexican restaurant. Dito kami.
what the people are here, man.
I don't know. Dito kami kakain ng aming breakfast. Ang daming tao pa rin kahit umaga. Here, my love. Daming tao. Here. Thank you. Wow, ang cute. Christmas na Christmas sa restaurant nila. Here, my love.
Hey guys, how are you?
Ang hot. Thank you. Wow. So cute. Hello. Hey. Dito daw kami mag-uupo. Here, my love. Oh, ang cute ng kanilang restaurant. Pang Mexican. Ito ang kanilang menu. Ano silang polo asado. This one.
Chili verde.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you can eat it, man.
We will just share it.
Okay,
And rice for me.
that serves with beans and rice.
Okay. Thank you. Is that free? Okay.
Have you anything to drink? Water?
Water.
Just water. 2 hours.
Thank you.
What do you want, my love? This time? Chili verde?
Chili verde.
What do I get then? What do you recommend me to get?
It's up to you, my love.
What do you like?
They have shrimp wrapped in bacon with rice.
No, I don't want it.
It's up to you. Ang sarap ng kanilang mga recipe. Masarap tingnan. How about this one, my love? Loco. Loco Azteca. For you. At the back.
Here?
Yeah.
Breakfast?
Yeah. Naghihintay na lang kami sa aming in-order.
Do you see my car?
Yeah?
No.
No. Just water. Thank you.
Is anybody parked next to me?
No?
No?
Nothing. Did you get chili verde?
For you. For me, I got eggs and chorizo. Is it okay?
Yeah. Free ito?
Here's the road, right?
Yeah. Rose Parade. Is that in Pasadena?
Yeah. Every year.
Nagbigay sila ng free nga corn tortilla chips and salsa. They give a lot of salsa, my love.
Yeah. They give a lot of salsa.
Yeah. Wow, nandito na ang aking chili verde.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let's split.
Okay, go ahead.
Maybe we will ask another small bowl for you.
No, I don't need it.
Kaya.
Just put it on my plate.
Okay. Nag-split lang kami nito. Binigyan ko siya ng, what do you call this, my love? Chili verde. Binigyan ko siya ng chili verde and binigyan din niya ako ng sausage with egg. Ay, chorizo with egg, right? Chorizo with egg and rice. And yung bean ko nga, half is binigay ko sa kanya kasi hindi ko gusto yung bean.
Deep fried beans, pinto
Yeah.
beans.
Hindi ko ito paborito ang bean na to. I'll just give it to you, everything, my love.
Just try it.
I don't like it.
Very healthy.
Binigay ko kay Tom ang aking mga refried bean kasi I don't like refried bean.
You should like everything. I love eat it.
No? Later. I'll eat my rice.
You eat it with it like that. It's a bread.
Okay. Kain muna kami. Let's eat. Mexican rice, and chili verde. Meron akong share sa inyo ba? Ang Mexican chorizo ba kay ano? Super soft niya. Hindi siya same sa, akala ko same sa atin sa Pilipinas na yung matamis na maraming meat. Pero ito para siyang hindi meat. Meat siya pero super soft niya. Parang hindi siya meat. Do you like the chorizo? Mexican chorizo? My love?
It's okay.
Yeah. Tastes good.
I'm already full here.
My love, I thought the chorizo is sweet, the same as the Philippine chorizo, the Cebu one, chorizo Cebu.
Yeah.
I thought it's like that, but it's different.
Yeah.
Hindi pala siya sweet na chorizo mga day. Akala ko sweet yung matamis na chorizo sa Pilipinas ba, yung sa Cebu na chorizo. Tapos na kami kumain. My love, is it okay to eat like this?
Yeah.
Kain tayo ng corn tortilla. Hindi ko talaga gusto itong mga ganito, pero kakainin na lang kay sayang. Masarap ang kanilang Mexican chorizo at saka chili verde. Ang refried bean lang ang hindi ko nagustuhan. You want more?
Refried pinto beans.
You want
With
more
cheese.
water?
Okay.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Ang corn tortilla na lang ang pinakain namin. Si Tom na ang kumakain sa lahat ng corn tortilla. Isa lang ang kinain ko kasi hindi ko talaga to bet. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
$35 pala ang total. 35.62 ang total ng aming food. How much tip did you pay, my love? 15? My love, how much tip? 15. Okay.
Drink your water, but that we're leaving.
Yeah. Nagbayad si Tom ng 15 na tip. $15. Thank you. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami kumain sa aming breakfast. So, papunta na kami sa bibili kami ng swimwear. Pupunta na kami sa, where are we going, my love, for swimwear?
Yeah.
Yeah, where? Big Five?
Yeah.
We will go to Big Five. Big Five nga store para sa swimwear. Ang daming tao sa Mexican restaurant na yun. Madaming tao kasi mga masasarap ang kanilang food ba. Ganyan talaga kapag
Address.
Okay, wait. I'll search it. Ganyan talaga kapag masasarap ang food, madadayuhan talaga ng maraming tao. Right, my love?
Okay.
Babay Azteca Grill, Mexican restaurant. Diyan kami galing, Azteca Grill, Mexican restaurant and cantina. We will now go to Big Five store to buy swimwear. Swimwear for mine only because Tom will not wear a swimwear. He will just wear his short and dressless, right? My honey?
I don't know, we'll see. Look, there's the thing.
There's the skiing.
That's the coaster. I don't know where the slide is.
There's the slide. That one is for slide.
No, that's not the slide.
That is.
No.
I saw it.
That's not the slide. The slide is on a track. That's the slide over there. That one up on the top. See it?
Yeah.
That's the slide on the top.
Yeah. I don't like.
This looks too crowded.
Yeah. We are now going to Big Five store for swimwear. Nandito na kami sa Big Five Sporting Goods. Nandito kami sa likod kasi mag-parking kami. Hoy, na-remember ko itong pine tree ba sa Baguio. I remember this pine trees, my love, in Baguio City. When we traveled before,
Yeah.
in Baguio City,
Yeah.
Philippines. Tingnan nyo, na-remember ko ito kapag makakita ako ng pine tree ba, kaya ma-remember ko ang Baguio City na pinagalaan namin. Let's go! Diyan kami papasok ay the Big Five Sporting Goods. We will get an extra small, my love. Extra small. Kompleto lahat ang kanilang mga sporting goods dito. Oh.
There.
Where? There.
There where they are.
Yeah. Sana may extra small sila kasi sa tingin ko wala. Tingin ko wala silang extra small mga baduday.
I don't know the sizing.
I need extra small. Mga malalaki man ang kanilang size dito eh. Wala silang extra small. I don't like. It's bigger. It's too big.
Okay, maybe we can't get one then. If you can't do it, we'll just go to another store. And
Yeah.
We don't know if we're gonna get
Let's
anything.
go.
Are you sure you can't find something here? Did
No.
you find? Look,
Is there have long sleeve, my love?
this is small,
I don't like that. It's too sexy.
but we're not worried about it. We don't have a lot of selection
It's
here.
big. It's big, my love. I cannot wear this. I look like Madam Inot.
This is about this one.
No, that's too big. Too
Okay,
loose.
what do you want me to do then?
We will find in another store. Pupunta kami sa ibang store kasi wala silang maliliit nga swimwear dito. Puro mga malalaki ang size. Mga luag, mga loose. Kung magsuot tayo ng mga loose, para tayong si ano nito. Yung parang bruha. Nga luag,
Turn
sinuluban.
it off. We need to get on the internet now.
Yeah.
I need the internet.
Ay, mag-transfer kami sa ibang store kasi wala dito wala silang mga small nga sizes. Hello, nandito pala kami sa Potters MTN Sports, second sports store na pinuntahan namin.
You have to put
Kasi,
this back.
yeah, dito kami bumili ng aming swimwear. Ayan, bumili si Tom ng kanyang short. And sa akin din,
You have to put this
medium
back.
na ano. Yeah, I know. Wait, for a minute, my love. And bumili din ako ng mini skirt, swimwear mini skirt. Gusto ko sana yung short at saka partneran ko ng long sleeve, but they don't have
Okay.
short and long sleeve dito. And also yeah, that's it. Yan, ito ang store nila. Puro mga sporting goods. Merong mga jacket, mga coat, mga pang boarding, pang snowboarding. Merong mga pang skate, mga pang skiing. Yan. Mga boots, pang skiing nga boots. Yan, mga helmet, bonnet. Kompleto sila dito. And meron ding mga boots dito, mga cutie nga boots. And sa wakas ay nakakita kami ng ma-fit sa akin ba na swimwear. Kahit hindi ko
Did these
gusto.
come with the top?
Ha? No?
No.
Yeah. Kahit hindi ko siya bet, okay lang basta may masuot. Gusto ko sana yung long sleeve nga fit ba with short nga cycling, but they don't have here, kaya yan na lang ang binili ko, swimwear nga miniskirt and yung sleeveless nga pang swimwear. Wala nang iba hindi tayo maghahanap ng wala
Alright.
dito.
He's gonna give it, there's no price, he's gonna set 15 on it.
Aha.
Is that good?
Okay.
Okay.
$15?
15.
Okay. How about this? How much this?
34.
$34.99, he's gonna give us 10%, right?
Yep.
Mm.
10%
Alright.
of everything.
Ito siya is partner, ito terno. Kinuha ko na lang ito kasi gusto ko itong tops niya ba. Pero hindi ko ito gagamitin ang panty kasi malaki. Pang medium size ang panty.
Yeah.
Nagbayad na si Tom sa ano.
I'm gonna
Dan?
use the restroom.
Okay,
We
I'll
don't
just
have
wait
bag.
here. Hindi sana kami mag-swimming ngayon. Wala sa aming plano kahapon ba kaya hindi kami nagdala ng swimwear. Ngayon lang kami nakapag-decide na maliligo na lang kami kasi gusto lang namin. Na iba ang aming desisyon nito. Gusto pala namin maligo. Sinasabi ng utak namin na gusto ng utak namin na maliligo sa hot tub. Meron namang hot tub dito and close naman ang kanilang hot tub. Hindi ka giginawin ba kapag after maghawas.
Really close.
It's really close.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's go. Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
Tapos na, nakabili na kami ng swimwear. Ready na kaming mag-swimming kasi meron na kaming swimwear. We are ready to swim now, my love.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure
Ready
is
na.
good.
Yeah, ready na kaming mag-swimming. Hello! Kahapon pa kami nakarating sa bahay and kahapon ay nag-upload lang ako ng aking part 2 na New Year's vlog. And ngayon ay busy kami ni Mister kasi nagligpit kami ng aming mga Christmas decorations and buti ay tumulong sa akin si Mister. Si Mister talaga ang madaming ginagawa kanina. Kasi ako, nag-i-edit ako ng aking part 2 nga vlog tapos siya na ang nagtatapos sa lahat ba. Siya talaga ang super maraming ginagawa. Parang ako is tumutulong lang ako sa kanya kanina. That's why I'm so grateful talaga sa aking Diyosawa na matulungin sa akin at hindi niya ako pinapagawa ng lahat ng mga gawain dito sa bahay. And itong vlog na to is continuation lang ito sa part 1 and part 2 na New Year's vlog ko. Hindi ko pa rin natapos lahat ng vlog namin sa Big Bear Lake. Super taas na nito kapag itagpi-tagpi ko ito. Baka umabot ito ng 1 hour ang ating vlog at saka hindi ko dapat itagpi-tagpi lahat na hanggang umabot na siya ng 1 hour kasi baka maboringan na kayo dyan at hindi nyo na panoorin lahat at baka bababa na ang ating revenue nito kasi nabasihan ba ya ito ang ating revenue sa ating watch hours. Kaya ginawa ko talaga siyang part 1, part 2, part 3. Meron pa tayong part 4 and part 5 kasi hindi ko pa tinapos lahat. Ang ibang shoutout pala na-shoutout ko na kahapon and ilagay ko yun sa aking part 4 and part 5 nga vlog sa New Year's vlog. And ito yung mga nagpapa-shoutout sa atin kanina sa ating part 2 vlog nga New Year's vlog. Shoutout kay Ma'am Mary Ann Varias. Shoutout kay Ma'am Josie Reyes. Shoutout kay Ma'am Melinda Aprosta. Shoutout kay Ma'am Grace Quito. Shoutout kay Ma'am Maria Fe Navarro from Gansing, Tacurong City. Shoutout kay Ma'am Maris Monterde from Bacoor City. Shoutout kay Ma'am Rochelle Tihada. Shoutout kay Ma'am Mr. Hello BG from Aklan or Ma'am Stacy. Shoutout kay Ma'am Lilin Vilches. Shoutout kay Ma'am Imelda Antang from Pandan, Antique, Philippines. Shoutout kay Ma'am Elisa Laborte from Davao. Shoutout kay Ma'am Denden Ponce watching from Canada. Shoutout kay Ma'am Via Plaxton from San Pedro, Laguna and sa kanyang mga friends na si Ma'am Maris Vasquez and si Sir JR from Cebu. Shoutout kay Ma'am Gloria Mercado from Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Shoutout kay Sir Noy and Ma'am Cory from Bay Area, California. Ang YouTube channel nila is Noy and Cory. I-search dyan sa YouTube para suportaan natin ang ating kababayan na nagva-vlog din sa California. Shoutout kay Ma'am Milagros Udin and Mag-Abu Amlan family from Negros Oriental. Shoutout kay Ma'am Kayla Denise Andayog. Shoutout kay Ma'am Bisayang Pinay in California. I-shoutout nyo din dyan si Ma'am Bisayang Pinay in California kasi kababayan din natin yan na nandito sa California, ang ating kapitbahay. Shoutout to you Ma'am Bisayang Pinay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next vlog. Bye! Ay, wait lang. Ipakita ko sa inyo ang ating bahay kung anong porma na niya. Oh, wala na siyang mga Christmas stuff kasi nililigpit na namin ito kanina. Yan lang. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next vlog. Bye!